Hello, welcome to the world of analog. The name of the course is Analog Circuit Analysis and the Design, your guide to electronic signals, circuits, and its design. My name is Dr. Vinayak Pachkode. I hold a PhD from the University of Liège in Belgium with the specialization in electronic circuits and the sensors. I am currently a founder and director of V. Pachkode Research Center. So the question is, what will you learn in this course? You will learn about how to analyze various analog signals, various kinds of signal sources, and the fundamental networking laws that you can apply to design and analyze your analog circuits. You will learn about the amplifier basics and its small signal models and some of the advanced concepts. You will learn how to design and analyze passive filters and its frequency response. There are passive filters such as RC filter or L filters. You will learn how to obtain magnitude and phase plots of those circuits. You will learn about the operational amplifier and variety of circuits using the operational amplifier, such as inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, adder, subtractor, etc. You will learn how to apply the network laws, basic circuit laws to analyze and obtain the output response of those circuits. Then you will learn a special class of instrumentation amplifier using the operational amplifier. You will learn how to analyze and design instrumentation amplifier. You will also learn how to design and analyze active filters opposite to the passive filters and how to obtain its frequency response. Finally, in this course, you will learn how to use the circuit simulation software such as LTSpice to run the analysis and the simulation on variety of circuits and how to interpret the simulation results. Now, who is this course for? This course is for anybody with a general understanding or interest in the electronics. If you are students, undergrad students and the graduate students in engineering with a major in electronics, electrical, mechatronics, biomedical, instrumentations, and so many other branches which are relevant to the electronics. And if you have a course linked to the electronics, then this course is for you. This course is also for engineers and the technicians from the electronic design industries. And this course is also for the professionals who wish to revise the concepts and apply them in their electronic designs. Now, what are the requirements or the prerequisites for taking this course? The first requirement is you need to have a basic analytical skills that you can apply while taking and studying this course. You need to know the basic circuit laws such as Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, etc. and the basic understanding of the electronic circuits there you can apply. And you need to have a deeper interest in electronic designs, electronic signals, and systems. So I hope you will like this course and enjoy this course. You can see the detailed contents and the curriculums that has been given for this course. I wish you all the best for this course.